All right, everybody, welcome back. We are diving deep today, and buckle up because it is a wild ride. It's the Trump coin saga. I mean, seriously, have you seen this thing? It's all over the news. Yeah, you've got these crazy price swings people are making and losing a ton of money. And meme coins are always a bit of a gamble, right? I mean, they're like the internet itself, kind of chaotic, and you never know what's going to happen next. So to help us understand all of this, we've got our expert here who can see the bigger picture, even when things get really crazy. Let's start with the basics. This Trump coin, it went from like nothing to $75, then bam, a 70% drop. I mean, that's a roller coaster even for crypto. What on earth happened there?
Well, a lot of it has to do with timing. This all started right when Donald Trump was getting back on social media and he was promoting the coin. So you had a ton of hype building up. People saw dollar signs and jumped in head first.
Yeah, makes sense. I guess people get caught up in the moment. But then you've got Anthony Scaramucci calling it a potential pump and dump scheme. Can you explain that to people who haven't heard that term before?
Sure. So basically, it's when a group tries to manipulate the price of something. In this case, it would be a cryptocurrency like Trump coin. They'll spread positive rumors or buy a lot of it themselves to drive the price way up. Then, when it's high enough, they sell all their coins at once. And the price crashes, leaving everyone else holding the bag.
Oh, wow. So it's basically like a coordinated effort to trick people.
hmm
And is there any evidence that this is what happened with Trump coin?
It's hard to say for sure without really digging into the details, but that sharp rise and then the sudden crash, yeah,
Yeah.
it definitely makes you wonder, especially with a controversial figure like Trump involved.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like this is the first time something like this has happened. And speaking of crashes, it's not just Trump coin that's taking a hit right now.
Yeah.
Bitcoin, Dogecoin, even Solana, the blockchain platform that Trump is built on, they're all down. Is there a connection there?
Yeah, there are definitely some broader market forces at play. Like Trump recently announced those potential trade tariffs,
hmm
and that kind of uncertainty, it affects everything. A whole market feels it, crypto included.
Okay, so it's not just about the coin itself. It's like the whole economic climate is a bit shaky right now.
Hmm.
I mean, I've seen people saying that the tariff announcement is directly linked to the Trump coin drop.
Right, but we have to be careful with that. Just because two things happen around the same time doesn't mean one caused the other. It could be a coincidence, or there might be something else entirely going on.
So we can't jump to conclusions.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so we've got economic uncertainty, possible manipulation, and now some analysts are pointing to this falling wedge pattern. They're saying it could mean a recovery for Trump coin.
Yeah.
Can you break that down for us? What is a falling wedge?
So a falling wedge is a pattern you see on price charts. Basically, the price is going down overall, but the highs and lows are getting closer together. It kind of makes a wedge shape slipping downwards.
Hmm.
And some traders think it means buying pressure is building up, like the price is getting ready to reverse and go back up.
Oh, so it's like a potential signal that things could turn around.
Yeah.
But then again, we have to remember that meme coins are all about the hype, right? And it seems like the initial buzz around Trump coin is fading.
That's true. The trading volume has dropped by a lot, like 90%, which basically means people aren't buying and selling it as much as they were before.
Mhm.
And yeah, meme coins depend on that social media frenzy, that viral energy. If that goes away, the value usually follows.
Okay, so we've got all these different factors at play. It really makes you wonder what's next for Trump coin.
Honestly, it's a total mystery. It could recover completely, it could keep going down, or who knows, maybe there will be some new regulations. Trying to predict a meme coin's future, it's almost impossible.
It's like trying to predict the weather, sometimes sunny, sometimes a storm. But this whole thing is fascinating, right? I mean, it's just a digital token inspired by internet culture and memes, but it's become intertwined with all these big things like market trends, economic anxieties, even politics. It really highlights the power of social media and how it's changing the world of finance. Makes you think about the future of investing, what happens when these online trends collide with traditional markets. It's definitely something to keep an eye on as we move further into this digital age. So many unknowns, so much potential. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through the world of Trump coin. Until next time, keep those eyes peeled and stay informed.
Because the only constant in the crypto world is change. But hey, that makes it so exciting right now.
Yes.